Alright, here are the ingredients that we're going to use. We're going to be using a steak. We have a rather thin piece here. You can get a thicker New York steak if you'd like, or even really a ribeye. We're going to be covering that with salt and pepper, and then we're going to make a marinade. And inside the marinade, we're going to be putting balsamic vinegar, some Dijon mustard, some garlic, and a little bit of red onions. Our green beans are, after we make the marinade, before we add the steak, we're going to divide it into two parts, and we're going to marinate the steak in one, and then we're going to marinate the green beans in the other part of the marinade. We will be sauteing both of them, but this steak will be baked, and these will only be sauteed. Then we're going to be making risotto. We're going to be adding a little bit of garlic and a little bit of red onion to that, and we're also going to be cooking some mushrooms and some cilantro in that with our butter and our heavy cream. And then we're going to be finishing it with Parmesan. If you'd like, you can mix Reggiano cheese on that to give it a little bit stronger flavor. So our three spices are going to be salt, basil, and black pepper.